They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Hope you had a great weekend. Right now, we are back and you to pull back up to the block market. So to all y'all that think this is Wall Street, you need to reverse and hit a U-turn because this is hood money investing. Right now, I got a block market stock tip alert for you beginner investors and traders out there like myself. That stock is Nokia, okay? And the reason I'm going to drop this info on y'all is because back in the day when I was in school, in high school, Nokia was one of the premier mobile phones out. And if you don't remember Snake, oh man, you tripping. You know what I'm saying? Out there on the block when you was wasting time out there getting that money, you know what I mean? You was playing your Snake, or when you was in high school trying to, avoid doing some homework or some schoolwork, you was trying to get the high score and not eat the back of your tail. You know what I'm saying? But, besides, jokes and all that, it's real. Nokia was $61 a share back in 2000, around June, 61.88. You know what I'm saying? I did a little bit of homework. And you got to remember, man, they were competing against giants like Nextel, and T-Mobile, so I think that was one of the reasons they started to take a decline. I mean, especially when iPhone came out in 2002 or something like that, 2001, 2002, maybe even 3. But I wanted to bring you this because they just won $14.1 million NASA contract to set up 4G network on the moon, and I know you might be like, well, what the hell that got to do with anything? You know what I'm saying? On the block market, we here on Earth, they talking about outer space. Well, hey man, technology is getting more advanced, and in my opinion, they already have this technology. They might have had it decades ago, thousands of years ago, in my opinion, but right now in this era, when you look at Virgin Galactic, okay, Holdings, what's that, SPCE, yep, Virgin Galactic Holdings, it just made me think to myself, okay, well, if Virgin Galactic Mobile is thinking about taking people on space explorations, wouldn't that be a good way for them to communicate, because they used to use radios, but 4G, I guess, cell phone waves or the waves that are used for cell networks, I guess, is different. I guess it's better. I'm not going to read the whole article, but you can go check it out, and tell me what you think. That's what I was thinking. I mean, based on what I know about Nokia from, my era and it being, a major player. Like I said, if you go back, look at it, do a little bit of homework, you can see when it was at its high, and you can see where it took a beating over the years, but this could be something that could possibly put them back, in the game. I'm not saying back up to 61, but possibly $10, $15 in the near future. So probably some long calls, maybe a year out, 2 years out, maybe buy a couple shares just to pay attention to them or keep it on your watch list. You know what I'm saying? But I just felt like, we had a little block market alert, and why not give this info and drop it on y'all, you know what I'm saying? Drop the package, y'all, so y'all can debate whether or not you want to wrap it up and sell it for later on. But yeah, this is Hood Money Investing. And I want to let you know I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not no investing guru. I just fall in love with the stock market and the learning and the patience and the timing. And I'm seeing it's a whole lot more than just data and analyzing and statistics and uptrends and downtrends and volumes and RSI. It's like psychological. You going against the brokers, you going against other sellers, you know what I'm saying? You going against the algorithm. It's a lot, man. But at the same time, when you betting long and you being smart and you researching and you doing your homework, man, to the best of your ability, and you're someone that's got just going to waste your money and put it, only God knows where, I think you'll do a pretty good job. And the reason why I do this channel is because I would like to help people that was, that's just like that, I was just like them, where I was intimidated and I didn't, really want to put my money into the market because I was clueless about what was going on. But the more and more information that you find out, I guarantee you the more and more comfortable that you will be with investing your money. And I'm telling you, it's going to be one of the best things that you've ever done. So, shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. If you think this is Wall Street, you made a wrong turn. You might want to put that joint in reverse because you're going to start seeing broken buildings, cats, glass, fiends walking, and then you're going to see cats with hoodies on, denim jeans, and briefcases, because this is the black market. You done pulled up the HoodMoney investing. Once again, shout out to all those beginner investors and traders. I am out.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put y'all in the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.